Dog. E for elephant. F for fish. Very good. G for grapes. H for hat. Very good. I for ice cream. Very good. J for jag. K for kite. Very good. L for lamp. M for monkey. Very good. N for nose. O for ఏంటి చెప్పు? ఆరెంజ్. తర్వాత మరే నీకోటి చెప్తా చూడు. P for